In this video, we're going to be replacing the driver's side mirror glass on this 2015 Hyundai Sonata. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to push in the front of our mirror. We're going to come in with a plastic pry tool behind the mirror glass, and we're going to work it out slowly all the way around. You'll see it start to pop free. You will have two electrical connections back behind the glass. We'll take note that the pink is on top, the black pink is on top. We'll go ahead and disconnect our connections. Now with your new mirror glass in hand, we're going to find our plugs here. We're going to put our black pink on the top and our other wire on the bottom. When you put these in, plug these in, make sure they go into the terminals and not behind it in the plastic. All right, so this is the motor area here. You're going to want to seat this round clip onto that. Go ahead and center up your glass the best you can and just push straight back. You'll hear a few clicks. And then just try and work both sides, left, right, up, down. All right, looks like we're in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.